So I do make Painty paper packs for sale, collage packs. If you're interested, send me an email at trashytreasures@gmail.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Trashy Treasures. Today I feel like collaging, so I'm just gonna work on making a mixed media masterboard. Do a little collage with me if you feel like joining me. I have a little chocolate lab that's, be quiet, sissy. So I've showed you guys these before, but these are all masterboards. And then you can add detail, you know, centerpieces on them. They're so fun to make. I love having tons of them. So anyways, I'm just gonna collage and see how it goes. Now these are all Painty papers that, you know, I've made. I love making Painty papers. They're like addicting. What new paint colors can I find is always my objective. I got Charlie huffing and puffing. So I just picked like a stack of them to see which ones will I use. Is hard to say. I have a bin next to me, you guys, with tons more Painty papers. So I just grabbed these, but I might defer from them. Lay down, sis. Oh, so it's Friday. Anybody have weekend plans? All right, I gotta take care of her. Okay, I'm back. She was wanting a cookie, per usual. Oh, my dogs are spoiled. So how are you guys doing? I know I've been slow at making videos this week. I'm kind of in like a creative, maybe a slump. I'm not really sure. You know, I love making the fodder videos, and I know you guys seem to really like them, but I'm kind of stumped right now on what to do. So, I mean, we've done a lot. I was thinking about doing mushrooms because it's kind of a, you know, like a woodland fall kind of thing. Yes, I've got some mushrooms on my channel that I've painted or made, but I don't know. I just really love them, and I was considering doing some more. Would you guys want more mushrooms or no? If you don't, that's cool. There's a lot of things I want to do, but I'm just not capable of because I can't draw. You know, I've tried, I don't like that there. Go here. I've tried to do birds several times actually now for you guys, and I'm just not coming up with like a whimsical wonky bird that I'm happy with, so I've just set that aside. I'll come back to it. It's not working out right now. So if you guys want more fodder videos, if you do, you can leave suggestions down below in the comments. I'm happy to do, I love doing fodder. Oh, this is one of my questions is, are you guys okay if we do more, like repeat some stuff? Because I really love doing floral fodder, whether it's black and white doodles or painting, you know, using my watercolors. But I was really wanting lately to do more botanical, floral, leafy stuff. I was just afraid to bore you guys because we've done them, you know. But let me know if that would be something that you guys wouldn't mind doing. I'm okay if you say no. I'm asking because I truly want to know. We can work on our fall journals soon. Let's see. So let's see. I kind of like that, but I'm gonna cut it. So I do make Painty paper packs for sale, collage packs. If you're interested, send me an email at trashytreasures@gmail.com. Spell Trashy Treasures how it's spelled on my channel name. I can link it in the description as well. Yeah, they're fun packs. They come with surprises. All my sales, I send little surprises along with because I thoroughly enjoy packing up orders for people. And as you can see, I love making Painty papers. I'll probably cut this up and then sew around it, maybe. I don't know. You know, as the card, see how I like to do a border sew sometimes. You don't have to, but I just think it looks cute. I got tons of these. I didn't bring my bin right by me, but they're great to tuck in a pocket. A lot of stuff I just make because I enjoy making it. It doesn't necessarily always have an immediate use. I got a lot of circles on this one, but that's all right. Because once it's cut up, it'll be totally different. Let me look here. I got some new, not that it's not new to me, but I got some more fluorescent pink and yellow paints in the mail yesterday. Now, I did think I ordered larger tubes of them, but whatever. Still exciting. Let's see. This might, nope, I want this. I want to put this in the corner. So I collage just kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. No specific way. I just kind of put things where they might make sense. Sometimes I do go over my, which I might today. I use Liquitex matte medium and I paint it over this because it seals it all in. Because a lot of times, even though I'm using good glue, like if I cut it up, some of the pieces will, oops, no, I don't want that there. Some of the pieces will peel up, but ooh, it's not enough. All right. So my collage packs, some of the pieces are on thicker paper, some are on thinner, some are on grocery bags, some are on, what else? I got glue everywhere. What's the word? Like wax paper, so you'll get like a little variety of textures. I like doing different textures with paints. It's fun. Where do I want this, guys? How about here? Is that gonna be big enough? Okay. Do I have more numbers? I want more numbers. I got this cursive. I want some to be torn. I'm gonna do this on the bottom. As you know, I love collaging. I have made, there's a video up recently if you haven't seen it, but I did make a collaged mixed media snippet roll or strip. Those are fun to do, in my opinion. And then you just coil them up and use as you want. Ooh, it's hot today, you guys. It's like 83. I know it doesn't sound hot, but it's been hot, and I guess it's gonna be, ooh, I don't know. These words are gonna be a problem because they're, okay, let's see. Because I gotta have them right side up. What was I saying? Oh, I guess it's gonna be hot here in Michigan for like another month. Your girl doesn't love the heat. Your girl might be in like perimenopause, who knows? I don't know. TMI, I guess? I have no clue. But I used to live in Arizona in 120-degree weather and had no problem. Now, I despise the heat. So, where are you tuning in from? As always, if you've told me, that's fine. You can tell me as many times as you want. Let me know in the comments what you got going on this weekend, if anything. I'm just gonna craft. I don't have any plans. I'm in the process of kind of deep cleaning my house, going through rooms, getting rid of stuff. It's kind of a chore, but I do enjoy it. Completely overwhelmed though, because it's like, where do you begin? But let's see. Oh, that might go good there, and then I'll just trim it up. I need to double check that everything's in frame. Yeah, we're good. Okay. I'm gonna cut this. Actually, I want to tear it. Put this here. I got some new stencils today, well, from the Dollar Tree. I was looking for my certain one, but they ended up having two, so I grabbed both because, I mean, they were ones I wanted like years ago, so I'm like, I better grab them because I demolished my stencils with paints. And they only last so long. Let's see, what do I want? What do I want? How about this? Got that little spot right there. I'm gonna break this up so I can use it in 3 spots. I mean, I don't always cut. Sometimes I do mostly tearing, but you know, I switch it up. Some of this paper is like a heavy-ish cardstock, so it's not as fun to tear, but some of it is thinner. I love numbers and letters, you guys. Second to polka dots. Uh-oh, there goes my glue. All right. I gotta fill in these little spots. This will be too wet probably to cut it on camera. But once it's dry on my next video, I'll have it cut up and show you what it looks like. That's the fun part to me, is like seeing what the outcome is, because you know there'll be little bits on different cards. I just love it. Let's see. I need little pieces. Might do that there. I make this harder on myself than it needs to be because I skip around, but it's just how I do it. It's definitely gonna need a coat. I'll show you what I use. So I use Liquitex clear gesso acrylic medium. That's what I use. Maybe it's a matte medium actually, but and you could always use, you don't have to use painty papers either for these. You could just use whatever on paper and then decorate it with your markers and stuff. This is just one way. So many ways to collage and make journal cards and backgrounds. Let's see, I haven't used this yet. I need something to fit right here. That'll work. I like really I can't talk. Mismatched things. Can't you tell? Let's do some more X's because I love X's. Maybe I'll rip it. Let's see. I'm gonna have that little spot to fill in. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, I got glue everywhere on my hands. How about that? What else? I'll do some polka dots, a little bit of polka dots. That'll be good. Let's try and make this video quick, but collaging, my way of collaging is never quick. All right, let's try to move some of this stuff out. Hopefully I can keep it at 15 minutes. All right, let's see. What do I have left? A couple little spots there and there. All right, I can throw, nope, I don't like that. Oh, I have more numbers right here. Well, I got enough numbers on there for now. I want I don't normally end with these little teeny gaps I gotta fill in, but you know, I'm talking and doing this, so it's like. All right, so I have one more little spot to do right there. All right. Did I miss any spots, guys? All right, let me move all this out of the way. I gotta double check that I didn't miss anything. I could always throw something there to break that up, but I'm just gonna leave it. I just wanna see what happens. I need a brush for this. Let's see. Seal this in. All right. This dries clear. All right. Looks good to me. All right, guys, I'll let it dry, then I'll cut it up and show you next time what it looks like and ways we can use them, etc. So happy Friday, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.